is the focus, and then this is the timer set?
No, it's a video.
Yeah.
Hey, so we found our spot in Indiana. Where are we?
I don't know, Columbus, Indiana.
Yeah.
Some park that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Mill Race Park.
It's not a race park. It's what?
It's the name of the place.
Oh,
I think
okay.
so.
Okay, so we're setting up. We have a few hours. What time is the eclipse from now? It's gonna be 12, so 3 hours.
3 hours.
3
to go.
hours. Okay.
I'm counting.
And counting.
We're ready.
We're ready. Okay.
We're ready. That's all.
I'm ready.
Okay. Thank you. Yes.
A remote microphone.